Step into the world of beauty with the Certificate 2 in Retail Cosmetics at WesTEC. This nationally recognised qualification provides hands-on training in a real salon-style environment while developing customer service, beauty and retail skills. Practical elements of this course include makeup application, skincare consultations, colour matching, product recommendations, retail sales techniques, customer service, and working with industry-standard beauty products and equipment. Students gain valuable industry experience while developing the confidence, professionalism, and practical skills employers value. Through industry-focused training and real-world learning opportunities, WesTEC helps students build a strong foundation for future opportunities within the beauty industry. At WesTEC, we help students turn their passion for beauty into practical skills and real career opportunities. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website